Just an incredible downpour in Center City. It looks like it's going to pass over quickly, but it is really coming down. And the brigade is the fancy brigade. The Merrymakers are coming down the street anyway, and that's what Mummerdom is all about. Troopers, here they come. The string band's right behind them, Bob. The Italian Americans. I guess you folks can see what we're talking about on your cameras, on your televisions at home, but there they are. So that's great. You are watching right now the Fancy Brigade, the Merrymakers. Bob, tell us a little bit about this group.
This group was formed in 1955. They finished 9th this year in competition. As I say, this is the first year for the captain, and it was a land of mythical mayhem, just like it's happening right now. Mayhem.
We love it. Only in Philly, baby.
How appropriate.
There they are. Italian Americans, the string band.
And it's captained by Perry D'Amato.
That's a name well known in Mummer circles. He's been around for a long time.
And this year they were all wrapped up, tonight they would like to be wrapped up probably in plastic. But they were mummies, and the captain was Indiana Jones. And I'm sure he's looking for a tomb to discover right now to get out of the rain.
All right, let's listen in.